Hello and welcome. We have 10 raised power a plus 10 raised power a is equals to 400. What is a? Solution from here. So our equation is 10 raised power a plus 10 raised power a is equal to 400. Now 10 raised power a is common at the left hand side. So if we factorize, we have 1 plus 1 to be equal to 400. From here, this becomes 10 raised power a times 1 plus 1, which is 2, is equal to 400. Now, if we divide both sides by 2, we have 10 raised to power a dot 2 divided by 2 is equal to 400 divided by 2. Now, from here, 2 we cancel each other, and then we are left with 10 raised to power a is equal to 400 divided by 2, which is 200. Now, at this point, if we take logarithm of both sides, we have log 10 raised to power a is equal to log 200. Now, using the logarithm rule, log m to power n is equal to n log m. All right, so if we apply this into this, we have a log 10 is equal to log 200. Now this becomes a log 10 is equal to log 200 is the same as 10 times 10 times 2. From here, if we apply the logarithm product, we have log ab is equal to log a plus log b. Now, our equation becomes a log 10 is equal to log 10 plus log 10 plus log 2. Now, at this point, we are going to divide the left hand side and the right hand side by 10. So this becomes a log 10 divided by log 10 is equal to log 10 divided by log 10 plus log 10 divided by log 10 plus log 2 divided by log 10. From here, log 10 will cancel each other and we are left with a. Log 10 cancels log 10, we are left with 1. Log 10 cancels log 10, we are left with 1. So we are left with a, which is a times 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus log 2 divided by log 10. Now from here, a becomes 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus log 2 divided by log 10. At this point, if you apply change of base to log 2 divided by log 10, we have log a over log b. Using the logarithm rule, change of base b is equal to log a base b. All right, so from here, if we apply this into this, we have that a is equal to 2 plus log 2 is 10. So this is our solution for A. Now let's verify and check if this solution satisfies the equation. So we have 10 raised to power x plus 10 raised to power x is equal to 400. So if we substitute the value of, oh, I mean 10 raised to power a. So the value of a, that's 2 plus log 2 is 10 plus 10 raised to power 2 plus log 2 10 is equal to 400. Now when you have a raised to power m plus n is the same as a raised to power n multiplying a raised to power n. So now if we apply this into this, we have 10 raised to power 2 dot 10 raised to power log 2 is 10 plus the same thing 10 raised to power 2 dot 10 raised to power log 2 is 10 oh, is equal to 400. Correct. So now if we simplify further, we have 10 raised to power 2, which is 100. Dot, all right. When you have 10 raised to power log 10 raised to, when you have b raised to power log a is b using the logarithm rule. This is equal to a. So now applying this now into this, we have 100 times 2 plus same thing here, 10 raised to power 2, which is 100, multiplying 10 log 2 with 10, which is 2, is equal to 400. Okay, let's do this side. Now 100 multiplying 2 is 200. The same thing here, plus 200 is equal to 400. Now 200 plus 200 is equal to 400. And now this means that our left hand side is equal to our right hand side, which proves that our solution for A satisfies the equation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it to your colleagues, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.